What is up, guys? Very quick update video for you guys today. Just testing something out to see if the 8K footage is actually going to load into YouTube. So I'm about halfway through on a 700-mile trip in the BMW M Sport, and the car is an absolute joy and dream to drive. Other vehicles that I've driven on trips like this, I'd have to stop, stretch my legs more often, the whole nine, but this one has just performed to perfection. As you can see, all the trim, as you've seen in the recent videos, are installed and good to go. I'm excited. Brand new fresh tires on deck, which you guys will see in an upcoming video. And yeah, she's good. And if you look at the front, those headlights look new too, huh? Yep. Anyways, guys, quick update video for you. I wanted to see how this how the 8K footage would turn out on this thing and see if it would perform appropriately and give you guys a decent update video. We still have 120 miles to go on our trip, and like I said, a BMW of this age that's just this clean, that just runs this good with no check lights, and probably the best gas mileage I've seen in a while. And I know you go, well, it just said check brake lights. I put LEDs in there. I haven't tuned it out yet. The only code that is actually accurate is the washer fluid code. But anywho's, I wanted to do a quick update video for you guys early in the morning. Also, is kind of like a video test to see how this 8K footage would come out here for you guys on YouTube, and if it gave you the option to even watch 8K. Not that you guys have 8K TVs or anything like that. Most people don't. But I figured, hey, let's give it a shot. Let's see what this thing does, and we'll go from there. So overall, man, she's been driving like a champ. She's pretty much performed at everything I wanted it to do, from really beating on it and pushing it hard to just doing basic stuff like, I don't know, merging on the highway or drive. Listen to that. Now, I know people have said, hey, TK, when are you going to liven up the exhaust? When are you going to make it louder? And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think I'm going to touch the exhaust in this car unless it absolutely has to be done. I want this to kind of be like my old, I know y'all going to laugh, my old man's car, right? Where I can just relax and chill and drive and enjoy it just like this, going down the highway, chilling, driving, and enjoying this BMW M Sport power. And I'm enjoying it. I'm loving the V8 in here. I'm loving the way she drives and performs. I really have no complaints, none. I really don't. So yeah, just a quick update video, a little test for you guys. Not a YouTube short. We'll post it as a regular video. Wanted you guys to see it. And she looked pretty clean for driving 600 and something miles, huh? But anywho's, stay tuned. I got some big news coming soon, and there's a reason for this trip. Stay tuned for that. I will be filling you guys in here very soon. And hopefully here in the very near future, you guys will see the Scat Pack back on the channel. And maybe maybe I'll drive I have a feeling I'm gonna get into the Scat Pack and want to drive it everywhere for a little bit, but we will see. The market is starting to change and come back around, and I don't know. But anywho's, let me know what you guys think about the camera quality and the footage of this 8K footage in wide angle in the comments below. Quick update video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later today.